Birds have captured the human imagination, with their diversity of colors, shapes, and behaviors. Among them, some stand out for their dazzling beauty, becoming true jewels of nature. These birds not only beautify their habitats, but also play a crucial role in the ecosystems they inhabit. The beauty of these birds is often a result of evolution and adaptation, whether to attract a mate, defend their territory, or simply survive in the wild. Exploring the world of the most beautiful birds on the planet offers us a window into the richness and complexity of nature, showing how elegance and splendor can arise in unexpected forms, from the vibrant hues of the quetzal to the spectacular plumage of the peacock. The 20 most beautiful birds in the world. Birds of paradise, from the family Paradiseidae, are famous for their dazzling plumage and complex mating rituals, which include elaborate dances and fascinating displays. They are native to New Guinea and some areas of Australia. The males, in particular, have extravagant feathers in vibrant colors such as red, blue, yellow, and green, and often feature unusual structures like fan-shaped feathers or long filaments. These birds are omnivorous, feeding mainly on fruits, insects, and small animals. They live in dense tropical forests, where their incredible colors and dances play a crucial role in attracting mates. Birds of paradise are a symbol of biodiversity and the natural wonder of New Guinea. While many species are not currently endangered, habitat loss due to deforestation and hunting for the feather trade pose significant challenges to their conservation. These birds are a striking example of evolution and sexual selection in nature. The lyrebird, genus Menura, is one of the most fascinating and sophisticated birds of Australia, known for its ornamental plumage and exceptional ability to mimic sounds. There are several species of lyrebird, with the most well-known being the superb lyrebird, Menura novahollandii, and the Albert's lyrebird, Menura alberti. The most distinctive feature of the lyrebird is its lyre-shaped tail, which forms an impressive structure that can be fanned out in the shape of a lyre during courtship displays. Males have colorful plumage with shades ranging from black and gray to green, including ornamental feathers with iridescent qualities. The lyrebird is famous for its remarkable mimicry, capable of reproducing an incredible variety of sounds, including other bird calls, animal noises, and even environmental sounds like chainsaws and car alarms. This mimicry is used by males during the breeding season to attract females and establish their territory. These birds inhabit forests and scrublands in Australia, feeding on insects, fruits, and seeds. They build nests on the ground, hidden among vegetation, and the female is responsible for incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks. Despite their ability to adapt to different habitats and their impressive vocal skills, lyrebirds face threats such as habitat loss due to deforestation. However, they remain one of the most admired species in Australian birdlife, celebrated for their beauty and unique vocal abilities, which make them one of the most intriguing birds in the avian world. The rhinoceros hornbill, Buceros rhinoceros, is an impressive species that inhabits the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia, including Indonesia, Malaysia, and southern Thailand. It is known for its large size and its distinctive rhinoceros-shaped casque atop its bill. This bright yellow casque gives the bird a unique and majestic appearance. The plumage of the rhinoceros hornbill is mostly black, with white markings on its wings and tail. Its large, curved bill is perfectly suited for feeding on fruits, seeds, and small animals. These birds live in dense forests and often form pairs or small groups. During the breeding season, the female seals herself inside a tree cavity nest, where she stays to incubate the eggs. The male provides food by passing it through a narrow slit in the nest. The chicks are born and remain inside until they are ready to emerge. The rhinoceros hornbill faces threats such as deforestation and hunting, and it is currently classified as near threatened. Protecting its habitat and preventing illegal hunting are essential for its survival. Its distinctive appearance and unique breeding behavior make it one of the most fascinating and iconic species of Southeast Asia. The northern cardinal, Cardinalis cardinalis, is one of the most well-known and beloved birds in North America, especially admired for its vibrant plumage. Males are easily recognized by their bright red color covering most of their bodies, with a distinctive black mask around the face and bill, while females have a more subdued plumage in shades of brown and gray, accented with touches of red on the tail and crest. This bird measures about 21 to 23 centimeters in length and is famous for its prominent crest and striking red coloration that stands out against its surroundings. During the winter months, the northern cardinal inhabits a variety of environments including woodlands, shrubs, and gardens, and is commonly found throughout the United States and northeastern Mexico. It feeds mainly on seeds, fruits, insects, and small invertebrates. Cardinals have a strong, iconic beak adapted for cracking seeds. They are territorial birds, and males sing distinctive melodies to defend their territory and attract females during the breeding season. Nests are usually built in shrubs or low trees, and the female is responsible for incubating the eggs while the male provides food and protects the nest. The northern cardinal is highly appreciated in popular culture and birdwatching due to its vibrant color and melodious song. Although it is common and not currently endangered, preserving its natural habitats is important to maintain healthy populations. Its presence in gardens and parks also contributes to its popularity among nature enthusiasts. The black swan, Cygnus atratus, is one of the most distinctive and elegant swan species, native to Australia. It is characterized by its entirely black plumage, which contrasts beautifully with its bright red bill. Adult black swans are large birds, with wingspans reaching up to 2.4 meters. Their black feathers are iridescent, displaying metallic hues that can shift with the light. These swans inhabit a variety of aquatic environments, such as lakes, rivers, and ponds. Their diet is omnivorous, mainly consisting of aquatic vegetation, though they also consume insects and small crustaceans. They use their long necks to reach submerged plants and other food sources in the water. Black swans are known for their social behavior, often forming monogamous pairs that stay together for life. During the breeding season, they build large nests near the water, where the female lays between 4 and 8 eggs. Both parents take turns incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks. Unlike many other swan species, the black swan is less commonly seen in flight, preferring to swim and forage in the water. Although their population is considered stable, black swans are protected in many areas to prevent hunting and disturbance of their habitats. Their graceful presence and unique coloration make them one of the most remarkable and cherished birds in their natural environments. The ruby-throated hummingbird, Archilochus colubris, is one of the most iconic and striking hummingbird species in North America. This tiny bird measures between 7.5 and 9 centimeters in length and is renowned for its brilliant iridescent plumage. Males are especially eye-catching, with a vibrant red throat that can appear ruby or scarlet depending on the light. The rest of their feathers are a shimmering emerald green on the upper body and light gray underneath. This hummingbird primarily inhabits deciduous forests, gardens, and open areas in the eastern United States during the summer. It is migratory, traveling to Mexico and Central America for the winter. Its diet is based on nectar, which it extracts from flowers using its long, slender bill. It also eats small insects and spiders to obtain protein. The ruby-throated hummingbird is famous for its rapid flight and ability to fly in all directions, including backward. Its wings can beat up to 70 times per second, allowing it to hover while feeding on nectar. Males perform aerial displays to attract females during the mating season. Although it is not currently endangered, the ruby-throated hummingbird faces threats such as habitat loss and competition from invasive species. Nevertheless, it remains one of the most beloved birds, admired for its beauty and fascinating behavior. The rainbow lorikeet, Trichoglossus mollucanus, also known simply as the rainbow lory, is one of the most vibrant and colorful parrot species in the world. Native to Australia and nearby islands, this parrot is famous for its multicolored plumage, which features bright shades of green, blue, yellow, and red. The rainbow lorikeet measures between 30 and 35 centimeters in length and displays a striking combination of colors that makes it stand out in its environment. These parrots inhabit tropical forests, eucalyptus woodlands, and dense vegetated areas, where they primarily feed on nectar, fruits, seeds, and flowers. They have a specialized brush-tipped tongue adapted for extracting nectar from flowers and are known for their active and playful behavior. Highly social birds, rainbow lorikeets often form noisy, energetic groups. During the breeding season, they build nests in tree cavities or rock crevices, and the pair works together to incubate the eggs and care for the chicks. These parrots are popular in the pet trade due to their colorful feathers and friendly personality, but they also face threats in the wild such as habitat loss and capture for illegal trade. While their overall population is considered stable, it is important to protect their natural habitats and ensure responsible trade practices to maintain healthy wild populations. Their vibrant plumage and energetic behavior make them one of the most eye-catching and beloved birds within their geographic range. The golden pheasant, Chrysolophus pictus, is one of the most striking and exotic birds in the world. Native to the mountainous regions of China and surrounding areas, this pheasant stands out due to its spectacular plumage, especially in males, which display a vivid array of colors. The back feathers of the golden pheasant are a brilliant golden yellow with touches of red and green, while its head is adorned with an impressive golden crest. The tail feathers are long and feature an iridescent blue-green hue, creating a stunning contrast with the rest of its body. The golden pheasant inhabits mountainous forests and areas with dense vegetation. Its diet consists mainly of seeds, fruits, insects, and small invertebrates. Although it can fly, the golden pheasant prefers to move along the ground, where it forages for food and hides among the undergrowth. During the breeding season, the male performs an elaborate display to attract a female, showcasing his fully spread tail and spinning to maximize the visual impact. The nest is built on the ground, and the female is responsible for incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks after they hatch. Although the golden pheasant is not critically endangered, it does face threats such as habitat loss due to deforestation and hunting. Nevertheless, it is highly valued for its beauty and can be found both in the wild and in private collections and zoos around the world. Its dazzling plumage and showy behavior make it one of the most fascinating birds in the global avian world. The flamingo, genus Phenacopterus, is one of the most distinctive and elegant wetland birds, known for its pink plumage, long neck and legs, and its downward curved beak. Flamingos are found in warm and saline regions across Africa, South America, Southern Europe, and Asia. There are several species, but the greater flamingo, Phenacopterus roseus, and the Andean flamingo, Phenacopterus andinus, are among the most well-known. The flamingo's pink color comes from carotenoid pigments in its diet, which includes algae and small crustaceans. These pigments are broken down in their digestive system and deposited into their feathers and skin, giving them their characteristic hue. Flamingos have a specially adapted beak that functions like a filter, allowing them to feed on microscopic organisms in the water. They can filter large amounts of water to extract their food. These highly social birds live in large colonies, sometimes numbering in the thousands, and build mud nests in shallow water areas. During the breeding season, they perform elaborate courtship dances and synchronized movements to strengthen pair bonds and coordinate egg incubation. Flamingos are important bioindicators of aquatic ecosystem health. Although they are not critically endangered, they face threats such as habitat loss, water pollution, and climate change, which impact their breeding and feeding grounds. The conservation of wetlands is essential to protect these majestic birds and the environments they inhabit. The blue and yellow macaw, Era ararana, is one of the most striking and well-known parrot species in South America. Its plumage is spectacular, with a bright blue back and wings and a vibrant yellow chest. It has a white face with black lines around the eyes and a strong black beak designed to crack nuts and seeds, although it also feeds on fruits, berries, and flowers. It is commonly found in tropical and subtropical rainforests from Panama to Brazil, inhabiting dense forests near rivers. This species is extremely social, often forming pairs or small groups that stay bonded for life. Blue and yellow macaws are highly intelligent and playful, known for their ability to learn tricks and vocalizations. They are famous for mimicking sounds, including human speech. In the wild, they fly long distances in search of food, and their powerful calls allow them to communicate across large areas of the forest. They can live for over 50 years, both in the wild and in captivity. Although not critically endangered, the blue and yellow macaw is classified as near threatened due to deforestation and capture for the pet trade. Conservation programs focused on habitat protection and reducing illegal trafficking are essential to secure the future of this magnificent species. The scarlet macaw, Era macaw, also known as the red and green macaw, is one of the most iconic and colorful birds of Central and South America. Native to tropical forests and wetlands from Mexico to Brazil, this macaw is easily recognized by its vibrant red plumage, accented with green on the wings and blue on the forehead and base of the tail. Measuring approximately 85 centimeters in length and with a wingspan of up to 90 centimeters, the scarlet macaw is one of the largest species in its family. Its diet is varied and includes fruits, nuts, seeds, and occasionally insects. Its strong, curved beak allows it to crack open the hard shells of nuts and seeds. These macaws are highly social birds, forming strong pair bonds that often last a lifetime. They are known for their loud and communicative behavior and typically live in groups of up to 20 individuals. During the breeding season, the female lays 2 to 4 eggs in tree cavities, and both parents share incubation duties and care for the chicks. Despite its striking appearance and popularity in the pet trade, the scarlet macaw faces threats such as habitat loss due to deforestation and illegal capture. It is currently classified as near threatened, and conservation efforts focus on protecting natural habitats and combating illegal trafficking. Its continued presence in the wild and in captive breeding programs remains essential for its long-term preservation. The hoopoe, Upupa epops, is one of the most distinctive and recognizable birds of Europe, Asia, and North Africa. Its plumage stands out for its unique coloration and pattern. It features a prominent crest on its head with long, striking feathers that it can raise into an elegant fan. The body is a light brown color, with black stripes on the wings and tail, and a distinctive black mask around the eyes that enhances its facial expression. The hoopoe is well known for its distinctive call, a characteristic sound that resembles oop-oop-oop, which is the origin of its common name. This call is used for communication within groups and for territorial marking. It inhabits a variety of environments, from woodlands and open areas to fields and gardens, preferring places with dense vegetation where it can find food. Its diet consists mainly of insects, but it also feeds on spiders and small invertebrates. It uses its long, slender bill to forage on the ground, where it digs to uncover prey. During the breeding season, the hoopoe builds its nest in tree cavities or holes in walls. The female lays between 5 and 10 eggs, and the chicks are fed a protein-rich diet. Both parents share responsibilities in feeding and protecting the nest. The hoopoe is classified as a species of least concern due to its wide distribution and adaptability, although it faces some threats such as habitat loss and intensive agriculture. Its distinctive appearance and fascinating behavior make it one of the most interesting and beloved birds of European and African avifauna. The Nandi parakeet, Aratinga nende, also known as the black-hooded parakeet, is a medium-sized parrot native to the subtropical regions of South America, specifically in areas of Paraguay, southern Brazil, Bolivia, and northern Argentina. This parakeet is easily recognizable by its completely black head, which contrasts sharply with its bright green body. The abdomen and legs usually show a bluish tint, while the tail feathers have a yellowish-green hue. It measures between 27 and 30 centimeters in length and has a strong, curved beak, allowing it to feed on a diet that includes fruits, seeds, berries, and insects. These birds are highly social, often living in noisy flocks in both natural habitats and urban areas. Black-hooded parakeets are known for their loud and distinctive vocalizations, making them easy to identify by sound. During the breeding season, they nest in tree cavities or palm trees, and the female lays 3 to 5 eggs, which are incubated for approximately 24 days. Both parents care for the chicks until they are ready to leave the nest. Although not considered threatened in the wild, black-hooded parakeets have been introduced to areas outside their native range, such as parts of the United States, where they have adapted well to urban life. Their sociable nature and ability to thrive in diverse environments make them a fascinating species both in the wild and in captivity. The common kingfisher, Alcedo athis, is a small bird known for its striking plumage and impressive fishing skills. It is found across Europe, Asia, and North Africa, where it inhabits areas close to bodies of water such as rivers, lakes, and ponds. This kingfisher measures about 16 to 19 centimeters in length and is easily recognized by its brilliant metallic blue plumage on the back and wings, and its warm orange belly and chest. Its long, pointed beak is perfectly adapted for catching fish. Males and females have similar plumage, although during the breeding season, males may display slightly more intense coloration. The common kingfisher is a specialized predator, feeding on small fish, aquatic insects, and other invertebrates. It often perches on branches or rocks above the water and, when it spots prey, dives quickly and directly into the water to catch it with its sharp beak. It is well known for its spectacular plunges. During the breeding season, it digs nesting tunnels in riverbanks or earthen embankments. Both parents share the duties of incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks. The nesting tunnel can reach up to 1 meter in length. Although the common kingfisher is classified as least concern by the IUCN, it faces threats such as habitat loss and water pollution, which can reduce the availability of fish. Its colorful appearance and remarkable fishing technique make it one of the most attractive and fascinating birds in aquatic habitats. The mandarin duck, Ics galericulata, is one of the most colorful and striking aquatic birds in the world. Native to East Asia, including China, Japan, and Korea, the mandarin duck is known for its vibrant plumage, which includes a mix of green, blue, orange, and purple. Males, in particular, have a spectacular plumage, with an erect crest on their head, a large white patch on their sides, and a long, ornamental tail. These ducks inhabit riparian forests and calm lakes, where they forage for food in the water. They primarily feed on seeds, grains, fruits, and small insects. In some regions, they are migratory and can travel long distances in search of food or during the breeding season. The mandarin duck is known for its social behavior and elaborate courtship dances. During the mating season, the male performs spectacular flight displays and movements to attract the female. Nests are built in tree cavities or bushes near water, and the female is primarily responsible for incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks. Although the mandarin duck is not critically endangered, it faces threats such as habitat loss and hunting in some areas. However, its colorful plumage and fascinating behavior make it one of the most appreciated and admired birds, both in the wild and in captivity. The peafowl, Pavo cristatus, is one of the most impressive and recognizable birds in the world, native to the Indian subcontinent. Males are famous for their dazzling tail or train, which can extend up to 2 meters and is adorned with iridescent eyes in shades of green, blue, and gold. This display is part of the courtship ritual to attract females, who have more modest and brown plumage. The peafowl inhabits open forests and agricultural areas and is omnivorous, feeding on grains, insects, small reptiles, and seeds. Although it can fly short distances, it generally moves on foot and takes refuge in trees at night. The peafowl has been a symbol of beauty and pride in various cultures, especially in India, where it is the national bird and is associated with the goddess Lakshmi, symbolizing prosperity. Although it is not endangered, its conservation depends on the protection of its natural habitat and the prevention of illegal hunting for its feathers. The emperor penguin, Aptenidites fursteri, is the largest and most robust species of penguin, endemic to Antarctica, with a height of up to 1.2 meters and a weight that can reach 40 kilograms in males. The emperor penguin is known for its impressive size and its distinctive plumage. Its plumage is predominantly black on the upper parts, with a white barrier on the belly and a touch of bright orange on the back of the neck and the sides of the head. This penguin is famous for its ability to endure extremely cold conditions during the Antarctic winter, when temperatures can drop to -60 degrees Celsius and the winds can be extremely strong. The emperor penguins gather in large colonies to conserve heat during the breeding season, which occurs during the Antarctic winter. The males incubate the eggs while the females go to the sea to find food. The males keep the egg in an incubation pouch on their feet for about 65 days while enduring the harsh weather. The females return to the colony to feed the chicks, which are born covered in dark gray down. Both parents take turns caring for the chicks and keeping them warm while feeding them from the fat reserves accumulated during the incubation period. Feeding the chicks is a demanding and vital process for their development. The emperor penguin faces threats due to climate change and the reduction of its marine habitat, but it remains an iconic symbol of Antarctic wildlife. Its adaptation to one of the most inhospitable environments on the planet and its fascinating life cycle make it one of the most studied and admired species in the animal kingdom. The quetzal, Pharamacris mocino, is one of the most beautiful and emblematic birds of Central America, with its iridescent green plumage and bright red chest. It is especially notable for the long tail feathers of the males, which can measure up to 60 centimeters. It inhabits the cloud forests of countries like Guatemala, where it is the national bird, as well as Costa Rica and Panama, preferring high altitudes and a humid, cool environment. The quetzal primarily feeds on fruits, especially the avocado tree, and also on insects and small animals. It is an omnivorous species that helps disperse seeds in the ecosystem. Despite its striking plumage, it is a shy bird and difficult to spot as it hides among the tall vegetation. This bird was sacred to the Maya and Aztec civilizations, who considered it a symbol of freedom and divinity. Today, the quetzal is classified as near threatened due to deforestation that destroys its habitat. Conservation efforts in countries like Guatemala and Costa Rica are working to protect its habitats and ensure its survival. The toko toucan, Ramphastos toko, is one of the largest and most recognizable species of toucans, native to the tropical rainforests and forests of South America, including Brazil, Argentina, and Paraguay. It is famous for its impressive bright-colored beak, which is predominantly orange with a yellow base and a black tip. Although it appears bulky, it is surprisingly light due to its hollow bone structure. The toko toucan has plumage that combines black, white, and some red hues at the base of the tail, and it measures about 55 to 65 centimeters in length. It primarily feeds on fruits, but it also eats insects, small reptiles, and eggs when the opportunity arises. Its large beak helps it reach fruits on high branches and manipulate food. These toucans are social birds and are often found in small groups or pairs, displaying playful and noisy behavior. They frequently perch on tree branches and use their beak to clean their feathers and communicate with each other through loud and distinctive calls. Although not endangered, the toko toucan faces threats due to deforestation and habitat loss. The conservation of its tropical forests is crucial to ensure the survival of this vibrant species. Its striking beak and colorful plumage make it one of the most eye-catching and beloved birds in the region. The violet turaco, Turaco violaceus, is a fascinating bird species that inhabits the forests and shrubland of Central and West Africa. This turaco stands out for its vibrant and colorful plumage. Its body is a rich violet color, while its wings and tail feature bright green tones, giving it an exotic and dazzling appearance. The violet turaco is a medium-sized bird, measuring approximately 38 to 40 centimeters in length. It is easily recognized by the erect crest on its head and a robust, curved beak adapted for feeding on fruits, leaves, and small insects. Its diet primarily consists of fruits, such as vegetables and berries, although it also consumes insects and other invertebrates when available. These birds are arboreal and spend most of their time in the trees, where they search for food and hide from predators. They are social birds, often found in small family groups or pairs, especially during the breeding season. The nest is built in the upper parts of the trees, and both parents participate in the incubation and care of the chicks. The violet turaco is known for its striking flight, in which the green feathers of its wings and tail are displayed in sharp contrast with its violet plumage. Although it faces threats such as habitat loss due to deforestation, it remains a species of least concern due to its wide distribution in forested areas. Its beautiful plumage and active behavior make it one of the most notable and cherished birds in its native region. Birds not only beautify our skies and landscapes, but they also remind us of the astonishing diversity and wonder of life on our planet. Each vibrant feather and dazzling color are testimonies to evolutionary ingenuity and the intrinsic beauty that nature can offer. By admiring these creatures, we are reminded of the importance of preserving their habitats and protecting biodiversity, so that future generations can also enjoy their splendor. May the song and color of these birds continue to inspire us and connect us with the marvels of the natural world.